Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. Today we are covering two external command. Our first command is regarding disk compare command. So dear students, whenever we have two floppy drives and if we want to compare those floppy drive data, at that time we are taking the help of disk compare command. So how? Now we can learn this through practical session. So dear student, to use this command, first of all, you have to write that is disk compare. Okay, DISKCOMP. Here I am first of all I am telling you how you can take the help regarding disk compare command. So for that you can write discom/?. So with the help of this you can identify it is used to compare the content of two floppy disks from one drive to another drive. So dear students, if you have floppy drive at home, then you can try this command with the help of this. Then we have another command that I can tell you, that is tree command. So why we are using tree command? If we want to see the graphical structure. So today the second command that we are covering, that is del tree command. So to dear students, basically the del tree command is used to delete any root directory. So here if I am trying to delete my one root directory, that is desktop, which contain another subdirectories. So dear students, whenever I am pressing enter, you can see it will give us error, and the error is the del tree is not a recognized an internal and external command. So why this error is occur? So basically this command, del tree command, is used in our older version, just like MS DOS, just like Windows ME and some other window, but it is not an active command for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Basically it is used in our previous older version. So if you want to use del tree command for your practical purpose, then you have to use some older operating system. So today we are covering two command. Our first command is that is disk compare command, which is used to compare to disk. If you have floppy disk at your home, then you can try this command. And our second command is del tree command. So basically this command is used in older operating system. So if you want to execute this command, you have to consider your older operating system, just like which can consider MS DOS, Windows ME. Okay, so these are our older operating system where this command will work, and for new operating system just like Windows 8, Windows 10, it is not working. Okay, here you can see, here I am writing del tree command, and it will give us error, that is del tree is not a recognized an external and internal commands. So thank you for joining our today's session.